we have a customer and a friend of ours. He's just purchased his new Audi RS4, and that's come over to us now to have all the chrome and silver removed and everything done in gloss black. So, to start with, we're going to be removing the Audi badges, the RS4 badges from the front and rear. Then there'll be new gloss black ones to go on in its place. We're going to be taking the bumpers off, front and rear bumpers. So the silver sections along here will be removed off the bumper, and that will all be done in gloss black as well. Then moving across to the sides of the car, we're going to be removing the silver window trims. So scraper mouldings, top trims, rear glass has got to come out. All of that then done in gloss black, put back on the car. Also the roof rails, so we'll have to drop part of the headlining down, remove the roof rails. These will all be correctly prepped, then primed and then done in a gloss black. So same for all of them parts across the car. Also, just to add a little bit of a wider stance to the car, we're going to be taking the wheels off, cleaning the wheels, and then we're going to be fitting 20mm spacers all round just to bring the wheels out. As you can see, there's plenty of room here to move the wheels out that bit further. Moving to the front of the car, we've got quite a bit of silver going on here, so to match it all in, front bumper off, centre grille all removed, the silver trim taken out, also the lower silver trim taken off, all of that done in gloss black, prepped in gloss black. New gloss black badges, Audi rings, RS4. On the lower section where it's got Quattro in black, we're going to redo this badge in red to go with the red on the RS4 and the red on the calipers. Everything then refitted, whole car all cleaned, prepped, ready to go back to its owner. We'll keep you up to date, keep watching, and yeah, more to come. And we're now going to take the front bumper off the Audi, ready to remove all the parts to do the painting in gloss black. Hopefully everything's still in one piece. He's not normally this quiet, is he? No. Last little bits off. There we go.
Got bumper stand out, mate.
Bumper stand over there. This is the back bumper. Ready to take the silver trims off. Oh, expertly done. Ta-da! Lovely job, How's your tea, Gaff? How's your tea? Very good?
Coffee. One sugar.
Oh, coffee.
Very nice.
For coffee?
For coffee.
A little sweet.
What's going on here, shall we?
20mm spacers. Lovely. Bring the wheels out nicely. You let them line them up alright. They look really short.
coffee cake
Oh,
here.
man, look
Very
at
nice.
that. That is lovely.
Yes, now we're going to cut
Have
it
a
up.
close up of the cake. This is a cake with
Nice.
coffee. Yeah.
But no, it's 18. This car belongs to David.
Damn it.
J-A-T-F-B-S.
Okay, so we've got the finished customer's Audi RS4. As you can see, looking completely different when it first came in with us. We've got the black badges all fitted. We've taken everything apart, as you know, done the surround in gloss black, lower section in gloss black as well. Then we've done the Quattro badge in the red to go with the RS4 red section and the calipers. Then as we move around the car, we've now got the 20mm spacers, which just bring the wheels out nicely to the wheel arches. They're really good. Then moving a bit further around the car, we've got the black window surrounds all now back in, done in the gloss black, roof rails as well. Just added a much meaner sort of look and stance to the car. Then as we sort of move around to the back of the car, we've got the black Audi rings, black RS4 badge on the back as well. Then the black section which was in the silver on the lower section of the back bumper. This is the carbon edition RS4, so we've got the carbon wing mirror covers, carbon fibre lower diffuser and front sort of splitter section as well. So they're all standard in the car. We've added the gloss black bits to it. As you can see, now looking much meaner, much wider from the back of the car. Yeah, looking really good. Let's hope the customers will be pleased. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going to be doing all sorts of stuff. So yeah, keep tuned. Thanks very much.